Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change the password on your Pi app or your Pi mining app. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market investing or stock trading with zero fees, you can open an account with Trading212 and use the promo code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. So first off, just go ahead and open your Pi app, and you would need to click in the upper left corner on these three horizontal lines. From here, go to your profile, the last option right here, and here just go ahead and scroll down a bit. Now once you see your password section right here, you just need to click on this little update text right here. Now here you would just need to input your phone number and click start. From there you would need to input your new password and input your new password again and then click set up. From there that password will now be the password for your Pi account. And that's guys how you can change your Pi network app password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.